First of all, you gotta learn how to hold the camera. When you can get the body in, learn how to back up when there's too much space.
No, I can't.
Point at the TV. Now you can see, right? That's why you can't see me. And that's video recording, man. You recording. 25 seconds. Yeah, I'm talking about. That's little mama beatboxer. She a little jackrabbit, if you ask me.
No, that's Derek the beat.
That's my baby mama right there. It's too dark. You can't see her. You don't need to see her anyway.
And so did we. It's me and Derek.
What's my name?
So did we. Me and Derek and Mira.
What's my name?
Miss
I didn't say what's my government name.
Miss Pierre. Miss Dora.
See, that's why I don't be making videos no more, because she just play too much.
Nah, he be making a baby picture of me.
See, she act like a silly rabbit when it's time to go to sleep.
No,
It's okay, I love my silly rabbit.
And he be changing my channel all day.
Is you ready for school?
No.
Why?
No. What does this go?
Matter of fact, you only gonna be there for 4 hours.
No.
Silly, man. She messed up the video.
So go.